In this video, I'll show you how to unbox the PUMA Foundation scope as supplied by OptArc. There's a particular way to do this because the optics are packed in such a way that if you don't follow these instructions, you may drop some of the sensitive optics on the desk or on the floor and damage them. So, open the box from the top, which is clearly marked from the stickers. Be careful when you're removing the tape not to stick knives in there to damage the contents. First thing you'll see are the documentation. Documentation includes the quality control certificate. Keep this safe because it has your unique serial number for your instrument, and you will need to quote that if you contact OptArc. And your user manual. Now the user manual also has a section on unboxing, so if you don't have access to this video when you receive your parcel, you can use that to show you what I'm about to do in this video. So firstly, remove the loose fill from the top. This will expose the bubble wrap package which contains all the parts. You can just put your hand on that package and empty out the loose fill from the top. Then you'll be able to remove the package like so. And there should be nothing else in there. Everything you need is contained in this bubble wrap package. Now, there are two layers of bubble wrap. One goes around like this and the inner one goes around like that. So we'll remove the outer layer first. Put that to one side. Now you'll notice already this white area here. This is a paper boat which contains all the equipment. So we want to keep it this way up on the desk to prevent things from spilling out. Remove the tape that allows you to take off the inner bubble wrap. Like so. Like so. Now we'll lay everything on the desk, and this exposes the package. So this package contains all the components in a paper boat. It's held together by a single strand of sellotape, so we'll just cut that. This piece of sponge is protecting the objective lens which is in there, and we'll have to remove that from the bottom. We'll do that later. First you can take out the ocular lens, put that to one side. We have another package here containing the mirror and part of the eyepiece holder. Then we have this, which is your filter block, and on the other side here, inside here, is the ocular tube. This is the test slide. You can just slide that out. And now we can tear the back of the paper boat. I don't need this paper boat anymore, but be careful. Before you lift everything up, you've got to be careful of this objective lens, because this goes down through the bottom aperture here, and if you just pick this up, that could fall down and you'll damage it. So you want to put your hand over this aperture to stop it from coming out this way, because some of these objective cases can fit through the top aperture, but some of them don't. So we always take it out from the bottom, but just in case, put your hand over the top aperture, and then you can remove the objective lens from the bottom. This was held in place just with a piece of sticky tape here that was holding this protective eye cap over the aperture. So this is the protective eye cap, which just comes off like that with some sticky tape. Take this tape off. And then lastly, in here we have a bag of extra components that you'll need, such as the legs, etc. And we can dispose of this paper boat. And so here are all the components for your microscope, and that is the safe way to unbox it, to make sure we don't drop this high quality objective lens through the aperture In another video I'll show you how to assemble this.